Hello friends and welcome. I'm so glad you are here joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my autumn FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what came inside of this box this season, stay tuned. So if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Karina from the Boho Abode, and I have been sharing a lot of unboxing videos lately thanks to COVID and everything that has brought. It's really slowed down my room reveal videos, my home project videos, my DIY project videos, but I do have more of that coming soon. So if that and unboxings interest you, please subscribe to my channel. And everyone, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and at the end of the video, let me know which item in this box was your favorite. So here is the box. Of course, the artwork is gorgeous as always. Unfortunately, this time they put the shipping sticker right over top, the artwork on the top of the box, but that is okay. So I'm gonna let you see the inside first. So first thing on top, as always, is their FabFitFun magazine. I always really enjoy these magazines. If you don't take a peek in them, there is added value in here. There's information not only on the items that came in the box, but there's also things like recipes in here as well. So definitely be taking a look at that. And also, let me go ahead and mention this because I never do. If you look down in the description down below, I always have links to all of the services that I'm subscribed to and whatever offerings that they have for Refer a Friend. So if you are interested in any of the boxes or whatever, definitely take a look down below and see what you could get for signing up. So back to what's in the box. There are a few cards. I will go ahead and put the codes for these cards down below. I won't be using any of these myself, and one of them actually says pass this on to a friend, and it's for $15 off your first box. So I will put that down there. I will put the Bright Cellars down there and the HelloFresh down there. So first come, first serve. Whoever wants to use those, please feel free to do so. So first item I see on top, I remember choosing this item. This was a choice item, and if you didn't know, you do get to choose some of your items with FabFitFun. And I've seen these hair clips all over social media. They are very trendy right now, and I really like that these have like a timeless kind of design to them with the almost shell opalescent kind of look to it. They are metal, as you can see here with the alligator clip. So I expect these will last a good amount of time, and I'm excited to use them myself now. Next item here, I can smell it, and it smells so good. Cedarwood, musky kind of scents are my favorite smells to smell on other people. I'm personally allergic to fragrance, so I can't use this, but I love getting these because they make such great gifts. And that is the Spongel Sweet Cedarwood. Smells so good, and the packaging is really pretty too. So I'm gonna put that in my to gift to other people with excitement pile. So this next item in here is catching my attention because crow brain shiny things always catch my attention. And it is this The Beauty Crop Glow Milk. And this is probably something that I won't use myself. I'm not really an illuminator kind of person, and this is for face and body, but I don't use liquid highlighters on my face, and I don't really use them on my body. This is just something that's not going to get used by me, so I am going to put this in my I'm excited to gift this to someone else pile. But the brand itself, The Beauty Crop, the only experience I have with that brand is actually on my face right now, my eyebrows. I got their brow duo kit. One was like a pencil with the spoolie on the other end. Did not like that at all. And then the other one was this brush on brow gel, which is dark, but I like a dark brow, and that's okay. So that was a little bit of a tangent. That's all on that. Next, I know this item, this was a choice item. Those last two items were not choice items. I should have mentioned that as I talked about them. I'm so sorry. But these are blue light glasses, and it was the most exciting thing of the choice items. So how do I look in glasses? I kind of love these. I love the style. I love the tortoiseshell kind of design. And everything kind of has a slightly yellowed cast to it when I put these on. Nothing that's like terribly annoying in any kind of way. I could see, you know, if you wanted to wear these for fashion reasons, you could totally do that. But I spend entirely too much time looking at screens all day, and now that kiddo is doing virtual learning, he does too. So I'm hoping I can get him to wear these, but he has his own feelings on things, very strong feelings. So he might not, but I'm gonna give him the option. So this next item is another item that they chose for me and put in the box, and it is this room spray, which looks really nice. The packaging is beautiful. Santal Noir. I can smell it a little bit. Being allergic to fragrance myself, I don't know a whole lot about how to describe it. Here we go. Sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cardamom top note. Amber sandalwood, light floral orchid. Okay, so I can see all of that in there when I smell it, when it's spelled out for me. But being allergic to fragrance, won't be using this myself, but I am excited to put this in my to gift to someone else pile. So I think I have 3 more items in here, and they were all choice items. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into these next. Here is the bag. It is like a backpack style, a small backpack style bag here. It's got the straps that say Bolt Care New York, I think is how that's said. I think it's the brand. You can see that there on the embroidered tag there. Let's see. So the top opens up, and so you have like the main pocket there, and then there's these 2 zippers here, so you can organize that far. And there is a zipper on the inside, so there are a few pockets, which is nice. I chose this. Again, it was the most exciting item to me out of the choices for the category. And I do have a camel colored bag, which goes well with my camel colored shoes, but I don't really have anything to go with my black shoes. So I thought this would be a nice bag to have for when I'm trying to be a coordinated dresser. So 2 more items. Both of these, as I already said, were choice items, and I'm very excited for both of these. Honestly, the box would have been worth it for these 2 items alone. This first one is a hair removal device, and I've always wanted one of these. It is pretty neat that it was an option to choose. Let's see if it gives us any information. No burns or irritation, just perfectly smooth skin. I'm always looking for alternative hair removal devices. I use a butterfly, I think is what they're called, a butterfly style safety razor, because I try to avoid plastic waste in things that are somewhat easy to avoid plastic waste in. And so this was something that I was really interested in trying for myself. Let's see, there is a user manual. Power switched off, put batteries in. Well, I'll go ahead and just show you what it looks like, and maybe I can come back another time to report back on it. It looks like it's just a regular epilator. I don't know if you can see them, but it's got the 2 circles of blades there. So I think I've tried something like this before, and I didn't love it, but it doesn't hurt to try another one, especially when it's in a box with all of these other things. But like I said, I'm excited to try it. Plus it's cute. I could totally leave this out on the vanity. Oops, there it goes. But yeah, again, that's what it looks like. Shiny things got my attention. And then the final item in this box is this Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. So I'm always looking to upgrade my hydration game. You see here, I also save glass spaghetti jars to drink out of, and I use the glass straw. You gotta avoid that plastic any way possible. So pretty intrigued when I saw this as an option. I believe That's glass. And it's got the top, it's got the sleeve, and then the top is just this really basic flip top, which I appreciate. I do not like the ones that have the straws or flippy things. I find them a pain in the butt to clean. So this is what it looks like. Gorgeous color. I like that a lot. And there we go. You can see there it shows you the measurements. It's got the Mason Tops branding on it. And pull that back up. The sleeve is nice, help keep it from getting bumped on things when it's in a bag or if you have it out and it topples over. But it's also nice because it's kind of grippy and adds some insulation to whatever you have in there. Point that out too. It's got the little loop there so you can attach it to a bag with a carabiner clip. Oh, so glad I remembered what that's called. I have been having trouble remembering words a lot today. So that is everything that came in my autumn FabFitFun box. I'm super happy. I'm super pleased. So something I've been wanting to add to my unboxing videos, and I did do this in my initial premium starter kit Young Living unboxing, and I've thought about it ever since, is what would I realistically spend on these items? And not necessarily like I'm looking for this specific bag, but if I'm looking for this style bag, what would I realistically spend on this if I were to go out and purchase one for myself? And then kind of add up all of that and see, does it have more value than the cost of the box itself? So let's go ahead and start with the bag. So I would probably go to Target if I was looking for a black backpack style bag like this. And it's been a while since I've been to Target, but I would expect to pay like $15-ish for a bag like this. I mean, it's not much, and the material here is a pretty cheap material, to be honest. So if I were looking for a bag like this, I would expect to pay about $15 for it. Next, this, while it is really cute and I love the copper on it, it does feel a little cheap. This is cheap plastic. So I would probably expect to pay like $10-ish for a generic epilator like this. I think that's about what I spent on the last epilator that I bought. So I'm hoping, of course, that this one performs much better, but we'll have to see. I'll have to report back on that. The hair clips, I would probably expect to pay about $7 to $9 for these. Just picking them up at any generic drugstore, Walmart, Target, whatever. The room spray itself, probably $4 to $5. The Glow Milk, probably again like $4 to $5. I'm a big like Wet n Wild fan. I'm used to paying around that for items. The Sponge Gel, probably $8. I think that's what they retailed for. And then the water bottle, probably like $15. I went to buy a water bottle last year and was shocked how expensive they are. So tallying all that up, let's see, 15, 30, 35, 40, 48, 58, let's say $65 for everything. Let's say that's oh, I forgot the glasses. There we go. So what, that's like, if I were to go out and buy all these things myself, I would anticipate paying about $70 for it. So I just saved myself, what, 20 bucks? I call that a win. I'm very happy with this box. I've been very happy with all of my recent FabFitFun boxes. I think it was the winter 2019 box that I was not thrilled with and I wanted to cancel, but every box since has been beyond my expectations. So I think I'm gonna stick around for this one a while longer. So yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for a bit today. I certainly enjoyed hanging out with you. Like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope you have the most wonderful day ever. Bye.